Everyone is happy. Everyone is enjoying themselves. We see some kind of total insane pleasure in social media. Bars, exhibitions, events. But nobody talks about their problems. Nobody uploads a photo of their IOU for the house. We create the illusion of happiness in front of each other on social media. We all have a lot of problems in real life. Debts, mortgages, wives, husbands, children's troubles at work, But we don't show all this. We show only entertainment. However, when we open social media and see this simulation of happiness in others, we relate it to our real life. And we get frustrated. It seems to us that everyone around is happy and only we have problems. We see that everyone has vacations, a beautiful body, a beautiful relationship, and we have only a stupid boss and huge loan. And we begin to suffer from this. We develop neurosis which we then treat with psychotherapists. Just think about the situation. We create a simulation of happiness, look at it, get very upset, and begin to suffer. As a result, we get quite real neurosis, mental and health problems. That is, we create a simulation for ourselves and now we suffer because of it. Damn, how not logical and sad! What for? People, why do we do this to ourselves? You don't have to do that. Therefore, when I look at the abundance of emoji, I am tempted to puke. Emojis in text, in private messages, in reactions in social media. There is a smiley image everywhere. On screens, on merch, he laughs everywhere. What the fuck are you happy about? Take it easy, easy. Way to rejoice. Have you seen year 2020 at all? People were dying, economy decline, unemployment. Only the zombies didn't go out into the street, but everything else happened. You don't have to chase the simulation of happiness. Not necessary. This is what this picture is about. Behind the facade of the smile, under it, we open it like a can of canned food and there is a dead skull inside. The pain and suffering is hidden behind the smile.